Welcome back to Educators. Are you good at spelling? I'm going to give you 20 words from easy to hard, and you'll have 10 seconds each to either write them down or shout them out. Feel free to pause if you need more time. All right, let's start. The first word is brave. The brave boy smiled. Correct. B-R-A-V-E. The next word is under. The boy hid under the table. You've got it. U-N-D-E-R. Next word is toast. He spread butter on his warm toast. Very good. T-O-A-S-T. The next word is smart. She is a smart student. Perfect. S-M-A-R-T. The last easy word is point. I asked the boy to point me in the right direction. Yes, it's P-O-I-N-T. You're doing great so far. Now, I'm going to give you words that are a little harder. The next word is bright. The sun is too bright to look at. Right on. It's B-R-I-G-H-T. Next up, always. The gas station is always open. Correct. A-L-W-A-Y-S. The next word is planted. They planted a tree in their yard. You've got it. P-L-A-N-T-E-D. Next is kitchen. I like to keep my kitchen clean. That's right. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. This word is birthday. The kids celebrated her birthday. Right again. It's B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y. Hang in there. We're halfway done. Let's keep this going. The next word is daughter. The mother hugged her daughter. Did you get it? It's D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Next is inspect. The worker came to inspect the light bulbs. Nailed it. It's I-N-S-P-E-C-T. Let's go with construct. They plan to construct a new building. Correct. It's C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T. The next word is emptying. She was emptying out her bowl. Bingo! It's EMPTYING. Next up is nastier. She found a nastier smell from an old sock. Very good. NASTIER. You're doing great so far. Only 5 more to go. Get ready. These are going to be tricky. Pause if you need more time. The next word is tidiness. I admire the tidiness of my students. Did you get it? It's TIDINESS. The next word is neighbor. I always greet my neighbor. You've got it. It's NEIGHBOR. Next up is creature. The creature was fuzzy. Yes, it's CREATURE. Oh no, get ready. The next word is knuckle. The boxer wrapped his knuckle before the match. Amazing! It's KNUCKLE. Last word. Can you spell whistle? He heard a sharp whistle. Incredible! It's WHISTLE. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new challenge. Got a subject that's giving you trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll make a video to help you out. Thanks for watching.